Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your digital life with McAfee, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your digital life with McAfee, start by visiting the official McAfee website. Download the McAfee installer that suits your device and operating system. Once downloaded, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and open it. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation process. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed with the installation. Create a McAfee account if you don't have one, or log in with your existing account. After logging in, enter your activation code to activate your subscription. Wait for the installation to finish, which may take several minutes. Once installed, open the McAfee application from your desktop or application menu. You will be greeted with the main dashboard, which displays your device's protection status. Click on the Scan option to initiate a full system scan. Let McAfee scan your device for any potential threats. Review any detected threats and follow the prompts to remove or quarantine them. Next, enable real-time scanning for ongoing protection against future threats. Customize your settings by going to the Settings menu for added security features. Consider enabling features such as a firewall and web protection to enhance your security. Regularly update your McAfee software to ensure it has the latest security features. Utilize the Password Manager feature to securely store and manage your passwords. Set up automatic scans to keep your device consistently monitored. Take advantage of the VPN feature for secure browsing on public networks. Explore additional tools like identity theft protection for further safeguarding your information. Regularly review your security dashboard to stay informed about your device's protection status. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your digital life with McAfee. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.